Guess who's back? Back again. EK's back. Please listen. I went to an event. It was great. I'm glad I went, but I was a little bit late. We talked, we laughed, we ate, we prayed, and I also met a few new mates. I learned a lot. It was a really great atmosphere. One of the biggest lessons I learned was you just got to start somewhere. Everything big starts small. Think about it. You used to be short, but now you're a bit tall. If you never start it, wait, how are you actually ever going to finish it at all? To be 25 years old, it actually takes 25 years. So don't rush the process. Just embrace it, my dear. Start with what you've got. When you take action, you're going to kill that fear. Good night, all right. Sleep well, my dear.